Hello students, good morning. Now today from your writing skill, I explain you the one writing skill which is essay writing. So how to write an essay and how to write an essay which is very impressive. So there is the main parts of essay writing. While you write an essay, there are some main points which you have to understood. Like the first one is introduction. Second is body of the essay, in which topic you have to write. First you give its introduction and then write the body, means what the things which we included in that topic, we have to write that. And last point is conclusion, means आखिरी में हमें क्या देना है, conclusion means उपसंहार देना है. सबसे पहले हमें उसे प्रस्तावना देनी है. इन हिंदी इंट्रोडक्शन वी कॉल इट प्रस्तावना, means part, body, and conclusion means उपसंहार. So I have one example to you of essay writing. So see that. Now here you look that essay writing. What is the topic of our essay? Importance of trees. How the trees are important for us. This is the topic of this essay. Now the first we give the introduction. In introduction we write the some features, important features of the tree. Like trees are very important for us. They gives us fruit to eat and firewood to burn. They give oxygen to breathe. Now then this is the body of essay. Second point is other service. Trees causes rainfall. What the other services that the tree provides us? Trees causes rainfall. Hot days made cool by trees, and trees also prevent sudden floods. Flood means बाढ़. जो पेड़ होते हैं वो बाढ़ को आने से रोकते हैं. Now the third point is different kinds of trees. जो अलग अलग तरह के पेड़ होते हैं उसके बारे में भी हमें इसी में बताना है. Like rubber tree supply rubber. Every part of the coconut tree can be put to some use or others. Now the fourth point is usefulness to animals. Animals के लिए पेड़ किस तरह से उपयोगी हैं? The branches of tree gives shelter to millions of birds. बहुत सारी birds को shelter देने का काम करते हैं trees. The leaves of trees are food for several animals. और जो पेड़ों की पत्तियां होती हैं वो बहुत सारे जानवरों के लिए खाने का काम करती हैं. Now the next point is urgent need of planting trees. हमें प्लांट लगाने की अभी एकदम ज़रूरत क्यों है? Now as population grew, जैसे जैसे जनसंख्या बढ़ रही है, trees being cut down for man use. लोगों के उपयोग के लिए पेड़ों को हम काटते जा रहे हैं. Now that is how a great part of forest wealth is lost. तो जो जंगलों की कीमती जंगल है वो धीरे धीरे कम होते जा रहे हैं. We should plant new trees and look after them. तो हमें नए पेड़ लगाने हैं चाहिए और उनकी देखभाल करनी चाहिए. And at last the last point is conclusion. Without conclusion your essay is not completed. Now in conclusion we tell that it is the duty of every citizen to plant at least one tree and take its full care. तो conclusion में हमने क्या बताया कि ये हर एक नागरिक का कर्तव्य है कि उसे कम से कम एक पेड़ लगाना चाहिए और उसकी पूरी देखभाल करनी चाहिए. So students, you have to write the essay in this format. In your previous class you have to write in points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 in numbers in 10 lines. But in your class 6th you have to write the essay in that way, in that format you have to write the essay. First you write here essay writing, then the topic of the essay, and then you start your essay. So students, your homework is to complete your writing skill in your notebook and learn it. Thank you.